Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this pipe cleaner crafting set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna play with it with my daughter and I'll show you what it looks like. This kit has several pieces in it. We have 600 vibrant and bright pipe cleaner colors with 100 pieces per color. There's also craft wires, craft glue, floral tape, greeting card, wrapping paper, Stamens ribbon, coloring chalk, as well as a scannable QR code with complete and detailed video instructions. The pipe cleaners have a strong wire core with soft non-shedding fabric, and it's also flexible and durable for repeat bending. I can even create a gradient effect to be able to make the pipe cleaner flowers bright and vivid depending on my preference. This is such a great kit to have on hand even for beginners or craft lovers as well, and you can make all kinds of different things like tulips, lilies, roses, animals, and other crafts. Plus we get beautiful flowers and decorations out of it that is fade resistant, and I don't have to worry about watering real plants because it will never wilt. If you are in the market for a fun, unique gift idea for craft lovers in your life, whether for Mother's Day, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, graduations, or other special occasions, this is definitely worth looking into.